Hello, all of you students. The new vacancy will be arising on the dated of uh, 12th February, and the last dated will be is going to held on. You can see the notification of this vacancy. Now, the following post has to be arise in this post: West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission. You can watch also official website in webcsc.org.in, and I also discuss about the following post, which will be make sure if you have to the following documents and extensive qualification, then you have to go and please fill up on this vacancy, because the cooperative West Bengal Cooperative Service Commissions and again vacancy will be published on official website. Let's talk about the post. The first is one, you can see that West Bengal State Handloom Weavers Cooperative Society Assistant Manager post. Then you have to extensive qualification will be honors graduate in any discipline, work knowledge of computer, and 2 year experience in administrative management. Gross pay is 45,188, and the post of code on this vacancy is 121001. This is the important for your syllabus according to examinations. So may I have request you, please, at the time of fill up on this form, uh, the the post is on your mind is especially, and also check the properly of the code with syllabus. Now the second post is, you can watch here, Malda Operative Agriculture and Rural Development Officer ranking scale 2A. The general vacancy will be 03, and the extensive qualification 60% in higher secondary and graduation in any discipline. uh, Chartered accountant and cost management accountant, the third one, two, and third are extensive for this post. Okay, and you can also the gross pay and post code. Now third, the vacancy is Dhakuria Cooperative Bank Limited Manager post SC. The SC only, in this post only SC will be apply this post. Okay, and you can also watch become with CA IIB of CA Inter of MBA Finance and CA 5 year experience of middle level in cooperative bank. The following vacancy, I hope, is a high rated vacancy published. Then maximum candidates who does not apply of this form, but those candidates who apply, check now properly all the post and you can apply. The third, West Bengal State Handloom Weavers Account Officer General is 1, becomes honors working knowledge in computers. Then others is West Bengal Handloom Weavers Cooperative Assistant Manager UR1 and ST1, become honor working knowledge of computer experience in finance management. Then after Dakshin Dinajpur DCCB Ltd Chief Accountant UR General 1 vacancy, become with CA and ICW. And the following will be the code is 1121004. Okay, you can see right side of the post code. Then after you will the next post, the West Bengal State Handloom Weaver Manager UR1 BTech student is required for this post, and also you have to some extensive qualification. The West Bengal Internal Auditor UR2 and OBC B is 01, commerce graduate, working knowledge in computer application, and also experience 2 year audit firm. Then number 7 vacancy, the post of number 7, Dakshin Dinajpur Deputy Manager Admin UR01, master degree first class with 55 marks. Then after the West Bengal Handicraft Cooperative Society Bhagyasri and Imperial Management, then UR4 SC0 ST0 OBC1 and OBC E1. Okay, and the following extensive qualification you will here become for any recognition university with regular core diploma certificate with 1 year experience sales and marketing. Then after done Dhakuria Cooperative Banking Limited System Manager System SC is only apply this post. Then you can also the following vacancy in this post and the following extensive qualifications of this. Okay, if you are eligible this post, I have to request apply now. The last date will be 11 March of this vacancy. Okay, we have next part of will be watch. At least you can see the highlight bold letter. It is so important for all this post. The computer course and same duly mentioned in the testimonial document certificate. BCK will not be separately necessary. Madhyamik or equivalent higher secondary equivalent should be obtained from the Recognition Board of India. So see now, you will also see the is very extensive word in the sense of C column. You have to watch. Madhyamik or equivalent of higher secondary equivalent should be obtained from Recognition Board of India. And next, an application must in Bengali first and second language 12 and 10 standard. Okay, this is the very most essential word in this notifications. Okay, next, the age must be lower age is 18 for all posts and upper age will be UR for 40, SC 45, ST 45, OBC 45, OBCA 45 and OBCB is 45. Okay, how to apply? You can also visit the online site. I will also provide the official website in the my video sections. Then you have to must email address, mobile number you have already used in daily life. Okay, applicant will be required to upload their passport size photograph or signature, left hand impressions, admit card certificate, Madhyamik, 10 investor card certificate, it applicable time of submission. The following are essential for this. You can also as now the fees you have to pay 400 rupees and processing fees 215. Then total amount you will have to pay 650. Then you are an unreserved and exempted category person disability, then you have to pay 650. OBC you pay 650 also, and SC and ST candidate will you have to pay only 250 rupees. Okay, no you have to pay the examinations fees, but you have to processing fees will be charged is 250. Then otherwise you have to understand the following instruction as we provide all the government notifications in examinations. The full marks will be table 4. Full marks will be table 4 is English 50 marks, general knowledge 50 marks and quant and reasoning 50 marks. Okay, the candidate will have to qualify in both of the paper. Both of the paper you have to must qualify. Then table 5 is to be said that if you are postcode, if you will be apply for the post of 22001, you have to total marks administration and management, general, banking awareness, total 100 marks, and the following you have to check which you will have to apply. Okay, then the following instructions, important notice and many more for this regarding. If you have any problem, make sure comment me for this section. I will to also help you. Okay, that's it. The following notification which will be published on the official website in 12 February 2021. The advertisement number 01/2021, West Bengal Cooperative Service Commission. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay with us, our study.